Hi, my name is Mark Goodman, and I'm a student at Yavapai College, and I'm here today to present you a brief presentation on colorectal cancer and fully extracted cannabis sativa oil as an adjunctive or complementary treatment. What I mean by an adjunctive or complementary treatment is something that is used in addition to the traditional medical treatment that is prescribed by your oncologist or your primary medical physician to treat colorectal cancer. So you're going to use it along with chemotherapy or radiation. Colorectal cancer is a malignant cancer. It starts in the colon or the rectum. The colon and rectum are parts of the large intestine. The large intestine is the lower half of the human body's digestive system, and the majority of colorectal cancer cells are adenocarcinomas. This is a type of cancer that begins in cells that release mucus and other fluids. Occurrences of colorectal cancer generally begin as a growth called a polyp. Polyps can form on the inner wall of the colon or rectum and develop into colorectal cancer. One positive aspect is that colorectal cancer is curable if detected early enough. Here we have a diagram of the human intestines. Colorectal cancer generally will start in the rectum or the descending colon and can metastasize and spread to the entire body. Colorectal cancer affects both men and women of all racial and ethnic groups. Colorectal cancer also has a higher rate of occurrence in in adults over the age of 50. It is also the third most commonly diagnosed cancer and the third leading cause of cancer death in both men and women in the U.S. Approximately 1 in 20 Americans will be diagnosed with cancer of the colon or rectum in their lifetime. Incidences of colon cancer are 30 to 40% higher in men than women, and African American men are affected at higher rates with colon cancer. Fully extracted cannabis sativa oil has been successfully utilized in a recent scientific study to attenuate the proliferation of colorectal cancer cells. Cannabis has been used for medicinal purposes for thousands of years. However, by federal law, the possession of cannabis is illegal in the United States, except within an approved research setting, or a growing number of states, territories, and the District of Columbia have enacted laws to legalize its medical use, including Arizona, which has the Medical Marijuana Act. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration does not have any currently approved cannabis-based medicines as a treatment for cancer or any other medical condition. Chemical components of cannabis are called cannabinoids. These activate specific receptors throughout the body and produce pharmacologic effects, particularly in the central nervous system and immune system. There are commercially available cannabinoids such as dronabinol and nabilone. It's important to remember that these are synthetic. They're manufactured in a lab, and they're not the same as fully extracted plant matter from cannabis sativa. Cannabinoids have benefits in the treatment of cancer-related side effects, and this is from the National Cancer Institute. I'm going to go ahead and skip through a few of these slides. There will be a handout provided to you at the end of this presentation, so you can view all of my references and any other information you'd like from the presentation. Let's go back here. All right. Conclusion of integrative therapies for this diagnosis. The ingestion of extracted essential oils of the cannabis sativa plant could attenuate the proliferation of colorectal cancer cells. Cannabinoid-based medicines have the potential to reduce pain and inflammation and in the intestinal tract of colorectal cancer patients. Pharmaceutical medications that are derived from the extracted essential oils of cannabis sativa are currently being developed and marketed by a company called GW Pharmaceuticals. This is a pharmaceuticals manufacturing and research company with operations in the United States and the United Kingdoms. I'm going to show a brief, about 40-second video, tell you a little bit about GW Pharmaceuticals, and that will be the end of my presentation. Thank you very much. It should spin up here shortly. And if not, we will work on it. Hold on one sec. Oop, there we go. Having a little bit of technical difficulty. Well, I'm having some problem showing this video, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I appreciate your time, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me after we're done. Thank you very much. Have a good day.